Hello, Flori. Look who's here. Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's Jörg. Flori, today it's your great day. It's your birthday. So let's have some champagne. Flori, happy birthday to you. That's good. Flori, on this special day, let me say this. I wish you all the best. I wish that all your dreams may come true. Good health to you and your family and your little daughter. So, I want to say that all the time we spent together was a great pleasure. We had so many fun, and I hope, that's my special wish, that we will have much more fun in the future, as long as we can be together. So, Flori, again, happy birthday, best wishes, that all your dreams come true. Cheers. Bye bye.